We're going to see Alice long ago for my third time, but it'll be
my first time.
So shout out Alice. Hi vlog. This is what I'm having for lunch. We have a baby burrito and we have a horchata, I think it's horchata. I'm actually really not sure. The sign said horchata, so I think it's that. And we also have posters, which I have been handing out to people and just kind of posting everywhere. So very much DIY old school vibes, but they're very cute and I feel like I'm very proud of the artwork. So I'm just gonna give them out to people and I don't know, I'm really excited about Seattle. Just me. Buy everything and I'm gonna bring it back.
We are in 7-Eleven. Uh-oh. I know you're gonna drink alcohol.
So I'm going to my first show. I'm a little nervous because I don't really know anyone here. Just feeling a lot of things right now as I do before a lot of my shows. Anyway, peace out. I'll see you guys at the show. This is so funny. I got the merch. I got the merch. Those are really cute. Thank you. It's so close to the ground! Oh my god, I could just walk across.
Oh, that's so cute. What are you talking about?
There's a Fiona Apple cover of a song in there. Really? Is it the one that just released? Really crazy. Hi. We just went to Japantown and I low-key got some Dramamine because there's something about San Francisco that's making me a little nauseous, but today's show day, so excited for that. Because a bunch of my friends are playing and I'm just really excited about this lineup. So we're gonna take some of these and I'll see you at the show. Hi, we just finished sound check. Check makes me tired, but the show is gonna be really good. I'm really excited about it. Yay!
How was your first oh yes.
We actually went here. Remember? This is where you played piano.
Rootless and floating, but at least it's never boring. I am good until I'm panicky, but I think I like the honesty. This isn't normally a thing I do.
What's the sign for?
Like me in your blue room. Close my eyes, savor the taste before you start to slip away. And I don't know how to say it to myself, 'cause she's the one who cannot help. Let my luck paper physique, I parrot, I double speak. I think I like myself. It's not enough. Need you to say it's me you wanna see you again, so bad and have what I never had. Is this how you're supposed to feel? Bittersweet.
We stopped at a thrift store. These glasses. They're so cute. I think I'm gonna get them.
I can't handle it, but I don't know how to say it to myself. 'Cause she's the one who cannot help. I'm a paper physics parent. I double speak. I think I like myself. It's not enough for you to say it's me you want. I hold your hand, sink in the blue God's hair. I wish you'd love me too. The things I want, the things I see,
It's fire. It's good. Out of 10, what would you rate it?
I want my phone, you girl.
For a bag,
You run it.
8.
So jealous that I cannot speak, but I want you. It makes me bleed. You make me stop. I've reached you. Breathing out, not sure.
It's sweet. It's sweet? Yeah. I don't know if I just got all of them. It's really good. It is sweet. It's not what
A little less than
yeah,
carrot.
you just made a regular smoothie. There's something else in it. There's little chunks. It's so spread out here. Like New York's Koreatown is probably 2 square blocks. Probably more than that. But like I don't even know how far this extends because everything is just very spread out and not stacked on top of each other. But it's cool. We had a really good dinner and yeah, it's on recording. We're going to the show. This is Zunera and they styled me for my cuff. And then I have my bracelet. You're one of the first people that I really chatted with and got to know the New York scene. Thanks for attention. Okay. Now we are waiting for Fiona. Peace out.
Check. Mic check, mic check, mic check.
It's been a while since I felt okay. I've been in denial, like why did you say?
Okay, what are the good ones? What's common?
I think this one.